So I had 109 and I took away 3 single cubes. How many do I have left? Send me a chat. I got Science from Willie, Susan, Tony, Heidi, Emily, Diana. Perfect, Emily, good job. Kwaku, good. All right, so I have 106 left. 106. All right, I'm going to take away. So I had 106. Now I'm taking away two stacks of 10. 2 sticks of 10. How many do I have now? I had 106, and I just took away 2 sticks of 10, or 20. How many do I have left now? Good, 86, perfect. All right, guys, good job. So we're going to move on to our next activity, okay? So, real quick, count my cubes. Count how many cubes I have here. And then send me a chat of how many cubes you see. I'll stop moving them. I don't want to confuse you. Good. So we have 12 cubes here. So we're going to be working with arrays. Remember arrays, we had our rows, which went across, and our columns, remember our columns went up and down, because remember I said think of columns on a house. So columns in a house, they go up and down. They go up and down. So columns are up and down. Rows are side to side. So you guys said I had 12 cubes here, okay? I want to pretend that these cubes are chairs. Pretend they're chairs. And I need to arrange them in straight rows for an audience to watch a movie. So I want to arrange the chairs so that there will be the same number in every row with no chairs left over. How would I do that? Draw on your sheet of paper. I'll get you started. So I want to arrange these to where I have the same number in each row. So remember, rows are going from side to side. What is one way I can arrange them? I'm going to let you draw out your array. So remember, I want to arrange these cubes into rows and columns for an audience to sit in. How can I do that? Go ahead and practice drawing on your sheet of paper, okay? You don't have to draw the squiggles at the top. Just draw normal squares, okay? I got you started. So how would I finish this? How would I finish this array? Go ahead and draw on your sheet of paper. How would you finish this array? So everyone right now on their sheet of paper should be drawing out this array and then finishing it, because I haven't finished it yet. I still have these 3 cubes. Where would they go? Take a minute to do that. All right. Someone raise their hand and share with me, how can I finish this array? How can I finish this array? Malachi, how would I finish this array?
You put 2 at the bottom.
Okay.
And then put 1 at the top of
Right
that
there.
one.
Perfect.
Yes.
Awesome, Malachi. All right, raise your hand if this is how you finish this array too. So how many, send me a chat, how many do I have in each row? Remember, rows go across. Rows go across. How many do I have in each row? How many do I have in each row? Not
3.
how many I have total. I didn't ask how many I have total. I said how many do I have in each row? Remember, listen to that word, each. Perfect. A lot of you guys said 3. Good. Oh, you cannot see that yellow at all. Let me switch to purple. Good. Okay, so this is how many is in a row. How many do I have in each column? How many do I have in each column? Remember, columns go down. Columns go down. Think of like columns in a house. How many do I have in each column?
4.
Good, 4. So I can do this as a multiplication problem. I could do 3, because I have 3 in each row, times how many do I have, and then the columns, 3 times 4, which equals what? Send me a chat. What is 3 times 4 equal? How many total cubes do I have here?
Excuse me?
What's up, Malachi?
What did you just say?
So how many do I have total? What is 3 times 4? How many do I have total? Send me a chat of it. Send me a chat. What is 3? So I have 3 in each row, and I have it 4 times. Or you could say I have 4 in each column, and I have each column 3 times. So what is 3 times 4? Send me a chat. Or how many do I have total? So I have 12 total. Perfect, 12 total. Awesome. All right, what I'm gonna do, and you're gonna do the same thing, is I can arrange these chairs in a different way. So let me go ahead and erase. You just either start a new page or start on a different part of the page. We're gonna arrange these same chairs in a different way. We're going to arrange these same chairs in a different way. So what if I wanted to do this way? How could I finish that array? I have 2 left over. How can I finish this array? Go ahead and draw it on your sheet of paper, please. Go ahead and draw it on your sheet of paper. How would I finish this array? All right, when you think you know how to finish this array, please raise your hand and help me finish my array. Mohammed, how would you finish it?
You bring 1 and put it over here.
Here?
Yep. And bring 1 down there.
Here?
Yep.
Could I do this?
Nope.
No, because it wouldn't be even. Good job, Mohammed. Okay, I want you to send me a chat answering my question. How many rows do I have? Not how many are in each row. I want to know how many rows do I have. So here's a row, here's a row. How many rows do I have? Good. I have 2 rows. I have 2 rows. All right, could someone answer me, send me a chat? How many do I have now in each row? How many do I have in each row? How many do I have in each row? Good, 6. So my multiplication problem would be 2 times 6. Go ahead, send me a chat. What is the answer? What is 2 times 6? Remember, we didn't add or take away any chairs. We still have the same amount of chairs. We just arranged them in a different way. Perfect 12. Remember, rows go side to side. Columns go up and down. So we have 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. We're going to do one more. I want you, though. I'm not going to move my cubes. I want you to arrange these 16 cubes, pretend they're chairs, and start arranging them, okay? Remember, there has to be the same number in each row and column, okay? So go ahead, and how do you think you would arrange these 16 cubes? Go ahead and write that on your sheet of paper right now. How would you arrange these 16 cubes? Take a minute to write it on your paper, okay? Remember, you want there to be the same number in every row without any extras, okay? Should look like our other 2 ones. So go ahead, take a few minutes and arrange these into an array. And then I'm going to ask one of you to tell me how many rows you had, how many you have in each row, and then we'll see if other people made the same array or if someone made a different array. All right, raise your hand if you would like to share your array. Susan, what did you do for your array? Can you hold it a little closer? Okay, so you did 2 in each row? All right, so let's see. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2. Susan, is this what yours looked like? Who else? Who else? Their array. Whose else arrays maybe looked like this? So she did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She did 8 rows. So she did 8 rows. Oh, sorry guys, that's a very bad line. She did 8 rows. And she had 2 in each row. Look, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So her multiplication would be 8 times 2. Who did it a different way? Raise your hand if you did your array a different way. Diana, how did you do your array?
I did it by ones.
Okay, you did by 1. What do you mean you did it by 1? So what does it look like? Can you show me your picture?
I can't show it. Wait, is it this? Like.
Okay, so what Diana did was she just did one long row, it seems like, which that's okay too. So so what she did, I believe, is she just kind of did one long row. That's okay too. So what her multiplication would be 1 times 16. I can't even do it because I ran out of room. All right, who else did it a different way? Who did it a different way? Anyone else? So we had Malachi, what did you do, bud? Okay, Malachi, tell me, how many rows do you have? It looked like 3 or 4.
3.
Okay, how many do you have in each row?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's see. So I think the only thing is, Malachi, we're gonna have one left. Uh-oh, so we can't do it this way because we have one left. Remember, it has to be even. So what if I just made it into a 4th row? And I could fit this here. And then I would have 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. And how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my equation here would be 4 by 4 because I have 4 across and 4 down. So my equation would be 4 times 4. Everyone, send me a chat. What is 4 times 4 equal? Or how many total cubes do I have here? Send me a chat. What is 4 times 4 equal? And then after this, we are going to go work on our worksheet that we have, our independent work.